Linksys has a page with emulators for their products. So with these, we could play around with some settings to help us with some of our computer exams, like CompTIA Net Plus or Security Plus. Let's go to XAC 1900. Then we'll click this one. And this is Smart Wi-Fi. Let's go to Wireless. And note that this one works on 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. Let's edit the 2.4 gigahertz. Notice that security mode is WPA2 Personal, which uses a pre-shared key, but we could change this to WPA2 Enterprise, which uses radius. And of course, we would need to know the radius server and the radius port and the radius shared key. Let's look at MAC filtering as another security feature. I'm not going to save changes. We can allow access to any but the ones we deny, and we can enter the ones we deny here if we have the MAC addresses. Or what might be safer is to deny access to all except certain ones, and that would be this one here, allow access to only the listed MAC addresses. So we select that and enter the MAC addresses over here. Wi-Fi protected setup, that's where we press a button on the Wi-Fi device and enter a key. But it's not a very secure setup. It can be easily cracked. And here's another way to harden our network or our device. Notice that the broadcast SSID is enabled. That's the service set identifier. And when people search for open Wi-Fi access points, they will see the name of this wireless point or access point. So we want to turn this off. So we go to Edit. And where it says Broadcast SSID, we'll uncheck Enabled. I'm back on the main page, ui.linksys.com, and let's look at a home or SOHO router. I'm going to go to WRT150N, and I'll go to 1.01.2. Let's take a look at a couple of things here. Note our IP address and our subnet mask. 192 is a Class C. And the default subnet mask for Class C networks is 255.255.255.0. Let's go to wireless and wireless security. We don't have a security mode now. WEP is the lowest. And since this is a home router, let's go with PSK2 Personal. PSK is pre-shared key. And so all the members of the household will need to know what the pre-shared key is. And AES is more secure than TKIP. So let's choose AES. Here's MAC filtering. And here's where we can disable specific IP addresses or enable them, like the other one. And let's go to wireless. And under basic wireless settings, here's where we can enable or disable the SSID broadcast. And normally you want it disabled.